One of the best things about owning an electric car is that it should require less maintenance. There are no tune-ups, oil changes, or spark plugs. But while EVs experience less mechanical wear and tear, they do still need service. Regular inspections at a dealer will keep an electric car running well and covered under warranty. You'll also want to periodically replace the cabin air filter, check and replace the windshield wiper blades when needed, and top off the washer fluid. And you'll want a trained technician to check the battery cooling system, as well as the status of the cabin heater, power inverter, accessory power, and charger modules. They can also inspect the brakes, steering, suspension, and chassis components for wear or damage. The combination of weight and performance means that electric cars work their tires harder than gasoline cars. The tires may need to be replaced more frequently than you may be used to. Make sure you research your options and find a tire that will support the weight and performance of your vehicle without impacting its range. The easiest thing to do is to fit the exact same tires as the originals. As with any vehicle, you'll need to check tire pressure. Properly inflated tires will give you improved range and efficiency. Inspect the tires for wear. Depending on how the tread is wearing, you might eventually need a wheel alignment. The complex electrical systems in electric cars need special attention from the dealership if something does go wrong. Most electric cars also come with a suite of Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS. These systems provide additional safety and security for drivers, but they require complex calibration processes when they stop working or when the car is involved in an accident. While electric cars have their own considerations when it comes to maintenance, the long-term benefits are great. The more you drive, the more the maintenance savings will add up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get recommendations for other useful content on GreenCars and how they can work best for you.